Hi guys, it's a girl Riri and I'm here with another video. Now before we jump into this video, what I want you guys to do is to like, share and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time we drop a video. Now what we're going to be doing in this video is banana chocolate fudge smoothie. Okay, so here are the directions. So all you need to do this is one banana, any chocolate biscuits and some ice and lasco or condensed milk or milk, something milky to give the taste. It's something that you can do when you're fun, when you're looking for nutrition. So let's go. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up the bananas and put it in the blender. Cut it up in small pieces so it can blend easily, and throw in the milk that you have. This is lasco. I'm using vanilla lasco. You can use condensed milk or cow milk, as I said before. And now I'm gonna put in the ice to give it so that it can be cold, like that. Then you put on the lid and get ready to blend.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one.
That's it. All you need to do now is crush up the chocolate biscuit that you got in small pieces. You can use any biscuits, but because it's a chocolate fudge, I use a chocolate biscuit so I can taste the chocolate. And now you take off the lid of the blender. And then you just simply sprinkle all the chocolate biscuits on the top. And you just give it a good shake to make sure that all of the cookies are scattered. And here it is. It's finished and ready to taste. Very nutritious and it tastes really good. Guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. It is a fun smoothie that you can try. It is very healthy and you'll love it. Bye.